In this video, I'll show you how to repair the drain valve or the spigot on your freshwater tank off of your RV or trailer. The top of my valve snapped off, such a cheap plastic, after only being used for about 2 years. So this broke off. I'm going to try to replace this with a part I found at the local camping store. $5. They're designed so cheap, but it snapped when we were trying to twist it the other day. So take that off to my freshwater tank, and then we're gonna have to unloosen that, and we should have hopefully a replacement. Nut there. We're gonna just take it off and see how it goes. So got to remove these two screws. It's unscrewing. We're about to get some water. It's pretty much loose. Here's the water. After we reinserted into the new valve, we tightened down the nut in the back, attached the new screws to the front, turned the water on, and everything seems to work just fine. Such an easy fix instead of going to the RV dealer.